on Christmas. Christmas is a festival of joy and happiness celebrated all over the world. Every year it is celebrated on 25th December to commemorate the birth anniversary of Jesus Christ. It is the main festival for all Christians. Religious people celebrate Christmas by visiting church for worshipping Jesus and lighting candles. Arrangements like cleaning houses, buying new clothes, decorating the house, etc. are started a few days before Christmas. On this day, people decorate Christmas tree at their house with lights, balloons, etc. Santa Claus brings gifts and chocolates for children. The main sweet of the festival is cake. People visit each other's house and share gifts, sweets, and cake. The Christmas day is also known as Big Day. Merry Christmas!